How to save or export video from CapCut to gallery. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device, and further go ahead and open the project that you want to save to your camera roll. Once you have opened the project, tap on the export button, but before that, make sure that you have made all the required changes to your video. Once done, tap on the export button on the top right of your screen, and you can also adjust the quality, like resolution, if you want, or make any other necessary changes from the export interface. Further, once the video is exported to your camera roll, you can go ahead and open your camera roll and see that your video will be right there. You can also take quick actions such as sharing the video in interfaces such as your social media platform or elsewhere. So, this is how you can save video from CapCut to gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.